Welcome to Trendsetters Hub, where fashion whispers, confidence roars, and every step you take writes its own story of charm, seduction, and unstoppable power. Today, we dive deep into the world of high heels, those divine, slender beauties that have mesmerized the fashion world for decades and continue to reign as the ultimate symbol of femininity, grace, and bold elegance. High heels are not merely footwear. They are magic wands that instantly transform a woman's posture, confidence, and aura the moment she slips her feet into them. Whether it's the sleek pointed toe stilettos shimmering under the party lights, the chic block heels ruling the runways, or the timeless pumps that steal every corporate meeting, heels have always been more than fashion accessories. They are an attitude, a lifestyle, a statement that says, I am here, I am fierce, and I own this moment. The sound of heels clicking against marble floors or city pavements sends ripples of elegance into the air, an unmistakable rhythm that turns heads, captures glances, and commands respect without uttering a single word. There is something intoxicatingly powerful about the curve of a high arch, the slender rise of a stiletto, the delicate strap wrapped gently around the ankle. They contour the leg, elongate the silhouette, and add an undeniable edge of seduction to every step taken. Celebrities, models, entrepreneurs, and queens of history have trusted their charisma to heels, using them not just as footwear but as silent weapons of influence, seduction, and unspoken power. From Audrey Hepburn's graceful kitten heels to Rihanna's daring sky-high stilettos, every fashion icon has made high heels a part of their iconic image, proof that these captivating shoes are eternal in the ever-changing world of trends. But heels are not just about looking fabulous, they carry stories within their arches and straps. Each pair speaks of a memory: the first prom night where silver glitter heels sparkled under the disco ball, the office presentation where classic nude pumps gave confidence to your every word, the candlelight dinner where red velvet stilettos made hearts skip beats. Fashion houses like Christian Louboutin, Jimmy Choo, and Manolo Blahnik have turned high heels into pieces of wearable art, crafted with love, stitched with precision, and kissed with luxury. These designer heels are not only status symbols but also dreams made real, each pair carrying the promise of charm and enchantment for those lucky enough to wear them. And let us not forget the casual, everyday heels: the wedges, the kitten heels, the slingbacks, which gracefully balance comfort and style, making even grocery runs or coffee dates feel like mini fashion moments.